Getting the something went wrong, try again later error on TikTok? No need to worry. It's likely just a small glitch in your app and you can fix it in a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it on your Android phone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache and data. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option Storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions, so you should go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 2. Update TikTok. A backdated app can cause problems like this, so make sure your TikTok is up to date. Go to Play Store and search for TikTok. Once the results come up, see if there are any updates available for the TikTok app. If so, simply update your app. Updates come with bug fixes and it can solve your problem right away. Solution 3. Reinstall TikTok. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it properly to resolve the problem. So on your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app, then tap Uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstall the TikTok app from there. After the reinstallation, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy solutions. Your support really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.